Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 10th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. In a surprising twist, Mango's proposal to settle with the SEC has failed. Initially, it seemed poised for success with over 100 million votes in favor. However, just hours before the deadline, a massive 80 million votes were withdrawn, leading to its downfall. This incident has sparked concerns about the fragility of decentralized governance, where a single vote can drastically change outcomes. The failure leaves Mango in a precarious position, and further discussions are expected as stakeholders analyze the implications. HBO's documentary, Money Electric: The Bitcoin Mystery, has stirred controversy by suggesting Peter Todd, a Canadian Bitcoin developer, could be Satoshi Nakamoto. The documentary points to Todd's early interactions with Satoshi and his implementation of the replace-by-fee concept as evidence. However, many in the crypto community dismiss these claims as speculative, defending Todd and criticizing HBO for irresponsible journalism. The debate highlights the ongoing intrigue surrounding Satoshi's true identity. VanEck has launched VanEck Ventures, a $30 million fund targeting early-stage companies at the intersection of fintech, crypto, and AI. The fund aims to invest in 25 to 35 companies, focusing on those developing real-world applications rather than just infrastructure. Managed by Wyatt Lonergan and Juan Lopez, VanEck Ventures is already active, with 4 investments soon to be announced. The firm remains optimistic about blockchain's transformative potential, despite current market challenges. Aztec Network is advancing towards a fully decentralized, privacy-focused Layer 2 solution on Ethereum. The project emphasizes programmable privacy, allowing developers to manage public and private states in smart contracts. Aztec's journey began in 2017, and it continues to innovate with technologies like Plonk and Noir. The network invites community participation as it aims to create a privacy-preserving ecosystem for decentralized applications. BOXABL is revolutionizing home construction with its innovative, patented technology. The company has received over 190,000 reservations for its casita, a compact, pre-built home that can be installed in less than a day. With 82 patents filed and over 600 homes built, BOXABL is seeking $1 billion to expand its production capabilities. The company draws inspiration from automotive manufacturing to streamline processes and reduce costs, positioning itself as a potential game-changer in addressing the affordable housing crisis. An article from Syncracy Capital highlights the shift in the blockchain industry towards applications generating significant revenue. Platforms like Ethereum and Solana are seeing applications grow at triple-digit rates, capturing a larger share of the blockchain fee pool. This trend suggests a shift in economic control from infrastructure to applications, with potential market mispricing that may soon correct. The crypto economy is transitioning from speculative ventures to revenue-generating businesses, promising a bright future for blockchain applications. Michael Nadeau predicts a future where DeFi protocols pay TradFi firms for asset flow on public blockchains. As DeFi integrates with traditional finance giants like Fidelity and BlackRock, billions in tokenized assets could move into permissioned DeFi systems. This integration may lead to new business models and increased competition, with real-time on-chain attribution and payment enhancing efficiency. Nadeau envisions a future where DeFi and TradFi are closely intertwined, creating new opportunities for both sectors. Wirex has launched Wirex Pay, a modular payment chain emphasizing non-custodial crypto payments. The app, available for selected users, allows individuals to maintain control over their funds with private keys and multi-signature security. Supporting stablecoins like USDT, USDC, and DAI, Wirex Pay is accessible in 54 countries. The launch reflects a growing trend towards non-custodial solutions, with MasterCard's recent partnership with Mercurio highlighting institutional support for self-custody wallets. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, Stay informed and stay secure.